everyone, welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn how to change nicknames on Messenger. For that, make sure to install Messenger and make sure to get logged into your own account just like me. So choose one of the person's account that you want to change the nickname of. So I'm going to tap on this particular account and then tap on this eye icon on the top right corner. Here you will get an option related to audio, video profile and all of the customization as well. So just below quick reaction, you will get an option of nicknames. So tap on it. I haven't set a nickname for this particular person, so I'm going to set a nickname at first. Alright, you can choose a nickname of your choice. And when you're done with it, tap on set on the right corner. So you can see that I have successfully kept a name for this particular person. But if I want to change it again, all I have to do is tap on this eye icon on the top right corner and then go for nicknames once again and then tap on this sunshine option that I have kept before. And I'm going to change it again, just like this. So you can choose a suitable emoji as well if you want to, and then tap on set option here. You can even remove it or cancel it. Since I want to set and change it, I'm going to tap on set option, so you can do the same. So you can see that you have successfully changed the nickname on Messenger. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video.